front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now, to move your contacts around on your list, click on those three dots next to the one you wanna move and select Move Up or Move Down. If you want to get rid of any of those contacts from your list, not from your smartphone, use the same three dots to hit Remove and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Last but not least, click on Change Settings at the bottom to make sure this option called Show When Locked is enabled. Without it, your emergency info won't be accessible from locked screen. So without further ado, let's check out if it worked. I will turn on my screen, swipe up to hit emergency on the left, and then hold this blue button and swipe it to the right to see my emergency contacts successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!